Alright guys, welcome back once again. This is my 14th item. I'll tell you what it is. They are mud flaps. Yes, I got mud flaps, a set of them for the front and rear. Now, I know I already got the fenders, but even with the fenders, as you can see, the level of protection is only this high, but with the mud flaps, it extends all the way down more. And then when I'm crossing into mud or, rain, wet areas, dirty wet areas, normally I would have all my door and everything full of mud and debris, but with the mud flaps, as you can see, it only affected my steps. There it is. As you can see, yeah, once again, decided to get mud flaps because I didn't want all the mess up against my door panels and everything. So the mud flaps do help a lot. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.